First, I appreciate your support. I'm back. Let's do a quick experiment. These error codes can be confusing. Let's see the error code this machine will give without the motor. So I've removed the motor. This is the motor. So let's see the error code that will give without the motor. So we select our program because we don't need water. We just want to see the way the motor is, the way the machine will behave without the motor. You're not washing. So what we do, we put it on a spin only. That is spin only. Ensure the door is locked. And then we engage. So normally when it has a motor on it, the pump starts running. It will first lock, then the pump starts running. When the pump starts running, it will run for a few seconds, let's say like 10 seconds. And then when it starts to drain again, the motor engages. So on this one, without the motor, it's giving us a DC error code. Normally, DC error code is a door lock issue on a Samsung EcoBubble. You see the door is locked, but it's giving us a DC error code. So if the door switch is okay and your machine is still giving you a DC error code, you have to replace the motor. That's one. Now let's see how the machine will behave without water. So we put it, let's say, on a rinse and spin. Let's see the error code that the Samsung EcoBubble will give us. It's still giving us a DC error code, because before the machine proceeds to wash, it has to drain first. After draining, it has to engage the motor. So if the motor is not engaging, it still give you a DC error code. Common error code is for the motor on a Samsung washing machine is 3C, but you see this one is giving us a DC error code. So that's why we say you have to get a professional to assess and give the correct diagnosis on your washing machine, because most people Google, and when you Google, you can get a very wrong diagnosis. You have to get the right guy to do the right job. If not, you might end up buying a wrong spare part, which is quite costly.